Question. So if you, you know, and you didn't,
you didn't have a, you didn't even
yeah,
have a,
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah, and you just,
why didn't you have a?
No, I mean I did.
Oh, you did, but
I just, yeah. So
yeah, I mean,
what? You okay?
That's all I do.
Okay. So, do you ever like you know?
About either this or
yeah, this or that, right?
There's this, but there's that. And,
Yeah,
and that is that. This
is, you know.
Why do you think this?
I mean.
You might.
I don't. You know.
Who?
This.
I saw. Yeah. This you know you're
saw.
Yeah, dude. I mean, come on. I don't even.
You really?
No. No. When I it was way back. I mean, we way back.
Wait. You.
With. Mhm. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And it's funny that you even bring this and that, because we had a little bit of that. We had a we come on, stop. Okay, no, hey, sir.
No, are you?
Sir,
Are
hey,
you?
Hey.
That?
I'm dead serious.
So you really?
Oh, we whoa! God damn it, we.
How?
Way.
I mean, like.
But we had a you know, we had to, you know,
that?
just yes. I mean, sometimes when you know you do it without.
Well, yeah, but it's that, and this is, and this
you
this is this. That is that, and that is just
listen. You do this without that. You do this without you got that. You got that.
Really.
And we just had to. Oh, come on! You're not one of these fucking. You know, you're not one of these. You're not one of these where you even think that this. We were just talking about that.
Not like that.
Yes, like that. It's this. It's exactly. I mean, it's just that. I mean, you did.
I did.
You. You guys.
Oh.
And think. Hey. You and you guys. I mean, come on. And then without. And then me without. That's like us. Oh my God. Why? Because this is too much?
Oh, it's too much.
Oh, come on. This is just a little bit of that. I mean, dude, it's Kelly and she
Wait. Kelly?
Yeah.
I thought Megan.
Megan?
Yeah,
Megan. No.
Oh.
I mean, because you thought.
Yeah.
But that means you, for a little bit, you were at least kind of thinking.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, but what about this? So what about this?
This, you don't even need a. I mean, this is
okay. Okay.
With Megan, this is
good.
Yeah,
all
but
I just need to, you know. Oh man. Whew.
You You fucked my sister. You fucked her.
Not really. Yeah, I mean...
What?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yes.
You put your dick in her.
I didn't...
You put your dick in her.
The Viagra, roofie combination, I think it works, because I think that's what happened.
Did she like it?
It was a long piece of toilet paper, and at the end of it was wet. Oh my god, it was just dangling there like a toilet paper tail.